Can you do Supra?
Supra?
With the turbo, like OG, like
MK5, MK4?
MK4.
4,
2J
okay.
is a...
One turbo?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite, the inline 5 S1 Sport Quattro.
That was good. Let's do Formula 1 because I really love that one.
Okay, I'm gonna take many breaths.
Let's, yeah.
Okay, pick V6, V8, V10.
V10.
V10, okay, let's try it.
Let's go.
It's so difficult. In the seat we're moving around.
Got the braking right. V8 Formula 1 car jumping out of the carousel.
No brakes.
Let's do something more conventional.
Okay, okay.
How about a classic Porsche?
Okay, very nice. Mufflers and completely stock.
Yes.
A little oversteer. Let me do like one of my favorite ones, maybe Lexus LFA, just for finishing the lap. RX-7.
Oh yes.
Single turbo.
Oh yes.